Every 4 years, monkey world goes quiet. No banana picked, no tree climbed. Every monkey watch game, young monkey watch, old monkey watch. Monkey who never watch games suddenly become biggest game expert. Billions of monkey who usually not care what happened. Across river now care about one air-filled leather ball. Monkey paint fur. Monkey scream at stranger. Monkey hug stranger 5 minute later. Some monkey cry. Why? Ball go into cage. Today monkey explain the World Cup. Every monkey has dream. Some monkey become doctor, some monkey become builder, some monkey become banana farmer. Some monkey become soccer monkey. Soccer monkey train every day. Monkey run, monkey kickball, monkey kick more ball, legs hurt, feet hurt. Monkey still train. Maybe one day monkey play on biggest stage. Soccer monkey play for tribe, not just for monkey. Behind every tribe stand one old monkey who never kick ball during game. Old monkey is coach. Coach pick which monkey start. Coach pick which monkey wait on bench. Coach decide how tribe attack. Coach decide how tribe defend. Coach yell many things from side of field. Sometimes monkey listen. Sometimes monkey pretend not hear. Tribe win, players become hero. Tribe lose, jungle blame coach. One monkey wears special armband. Armband monkey is captain. Captain talk to referee monkey when tribe has question. Captain calm nervous monkey. Captain remind tribe to keep fighting. If tribe win golden banana, captain lift trophy first. Tiny piece of cloth, very big responsibility. Monkey world has 6 region. Each region hold own qualifying round. More than 200 tribe dream of World Cup. Almost all fail, only 32 tribe make it. Many years of training, many tired legs. Very few happy monkey. Before first game begin, monkey first need to know how soccer work. Goal simple. Put ball into cage, win golden banana. Easy to understand, hard to do. Each tribe start with 11 monkey on field. More monkey wait on bench. Monkey get tired, monkey get hurt. Coach send fresh monkey run faster. Fresh monkey still have energy. Tribe only get a few swaps. Use swap too early, monkey regret later. If monkey touch ball with hand, referee monkey stop game. Only feet allowed. This is called handball. Monkey ask, why not hands? Because then game become too easy. If ball leave field over sideline, monkey throw ball back with both hands. This is called throw-in. If ball cross end line, off attacking tribe, defending tribe kick ball back into game. This is called goal kick. If ball cross end line off defending tribe, attacking tribe kick ball from corner, ball fly into crowded cage area. Monkey jump. Monkey head ball. Sometimes ball go in, sometimes monkey head wrong thing instead. This is called corner kick. If monkey break rule near own cage, other tribe get chance to kick ball without interruption. This is called free kick. Now monkey explain offside. Lazy monkey try easy strategy. Lazy monkey stand next to cage and wait for easy pass. But monkey not allowed. When monkey A pass ball to monkey B, at least 2 defending monkey must still stand between monkey B and cage. If not, this is called offside. Rule stop lazy monkey. Rule make whole tribe move together. Referee monkey enforce rule. Referee monkey somehow remember hundreds of rule. Monkey trip monkey, yellow card. Yellow card means warning. Monkey do it again, red card. Red card means monkey leave field. Tribe now play with 1 less monkey. Referee monkey has no superpower. 22 angry monkey could probably throw referee into bush. Luckily, referee monkey has whistle. Whistle stronger than muscles. Referee monkey not alone. High above field, camera monkey watch every kick, every trip, every mistake. This is called VAR. If referee monkey make wrong call, camera monkey speak into tiny ear thing. Referee monkey walk to little screen. Watch replay, decide again. Some monkey love it. Some monkey hate it. All monkey complain anyway. Now monkey know how soccer work. Time for World Cup. 32 tribe finally arrive at host jungle. They split into groups. Every tribe play 3 game. Win game, get points. Tribe with most points move on. Tribe with not enough points go home. Then knockout stage begin. Knockout stage show no mercy. Lose one game, World Cup over. Monkey pack bag, monkey fly home. Monkey watch rest of World Cup on TV. Years of training disappear in 90 minutes. 90-minute finish. No winner? Referee Monkey add extra time for injury and delay. Still tied? Try play 30 more minutes. Still tied? Penalty shootout. Every tribe get 5 kicks. One monkey kick, one goalie defend, then other tribe kick. Tribe with more goal win. Still tied after 5 kicks? Monkey keep kicking one by one until one tribe score and other tribe miss. 2 tribe lose semifinal. Monkey think World Cup over? Not yet. Losing tribe still play one more game. Winner get 3rd place. Not golden banana. Still shiny medal. Better than going home with only sadness. Finally, 2 tribe reach final. One tribe go home heartbroken. Other tribe lift golden banana, winning monkey become world champion for 4 years. Monkey return home. Jungle welcome, monkey-like hero. Sometimes World Cup happen in monkey's own jungle. Monkey call this home advantage. Home monkey feel more comfortable. Home monkey sleep in own bed. Home monkey eat favorite banana. Home monkey hear whole stadium scream for monkey. Away monkey travel far. Away monkey hear crowd cheer against monkey. Home advantage help. Home advantage not magic. World Cup give more prize than golden banana. Monkey who score most goal get golden boot. Monkey who play best get golden ball. Goalie monkey who stop most shot get golden glove. Nice prize, still not as nice as golden banana. Monkey ask, why World Cup only every 4 year? Building giant stadium take a long time. Qualification take long time. Also, monkey need time to recover after favorite tribe lose. Host jungle build giant stadium. Host jungle build road. Host jungle build hotel. Monkey spend many leaves. World watch, world cheer. World Cup end. Monkey go home. Stadium stay. Some stadium stay busy. Some stadium not used very much anymore. World Cup also changed monkey behavior. Normal day monkey only care about own jungle and own tribe. World Cup day monkey suddenly care about tribe. From jungle monkey never visit. Stranger become our monkey. Monkey paint fur. Monkey wave flag. Monkey lose voice from screaming. Tribe lose. Monkey sad for week. 4 years of waiting, months of qualification, weeks of competition. One tribe lift golden banana. 4 years later, jungle do whole thing again. Please subscribe and always remember, apes together strong.